Today we're making the Porn Star Martini. Try to keep up.
Would you like a little passion in your life?
Welcome to Combat Cocktails, Dan, Derek, and Ian. They're gonna make.
We're gonna make you a drink today?
Yep.
Called the Porn Star Martini.
He goes into manager mode. He's ready to go.
Who doesn't want a Porn Star Martini?
Oh my God.
Everybody?
I want a Porn Star Martini,
Wait, everybody
especially
doesn't?
what I'm watching going on over there.
What?
Alright.
She just said she's wet.
What's in this thing? Well, because we have a Porn Star Martini coming out.
All right. It's gonna be 1.5 ounces of passion fruit juice or puree, if you can get it. 2 ounces of vanilla vodka, 1/2 ounce of passoa, 1/2 ounce of vanilla simple syrup, 1/2 ounce of fresh lime squeezed juice, and 2 ounces of champagne.
So Passoa,
Passoa!
it's like a mango liquor?
No,
No.
Passion fruit.
Passion fruit, sorry. Passion fruit.
Because why not double up on passion fruit flavors when you're doubling up on vanilla flavors?
Well,
whoa.
if you're gonna porn star it out, you want it to be sweet and sassy.
Don't go too far.
So what you're gonna do is you're gonna add all the ingredients, but the champagne, right?
Yes.
You're gonna strain into a chilled coupe glass. It's about 8 ounces in size, and we're apparently using a.
Well, the champagne's gonna be a sidecar.
Oh shit! Well, hold on. What is going on?
There's a combat walking here.
Okay. Add champagne at the end. Oh, so the champagne is a shot glass.
It's a sidecar.
It's a sidecar. So you're gonna sidecar the champagne. This is how a traditional Porn Star Martini is made. So you do it this way because this is just the way. So you're basically what you're gonna do is you're gonna create 2 drinks. You're gonna create champagne. You're gonna create a cocktail, and you're gonna alternately sip between the 2 of them.
Well, alternate.
But now that sounds like a lot of work.
It's not that hard. It's you drink one.
We're gonna try
Like
it.
a lot of work.
No, you
try.
drink one, you drink the other.
You know how to double fist.
Yeah.
Right.
Wait, Ian, how do you know?
This is
I've seen the
designed.
videos.
Because I told him.
Wait now, I've seen videos and I told him. Let's just all pick on Jen.
It doesn't sound like picking as much as just like we've just created.
This
a
is what
whole
they
new
call
storyline.
observational comedy.
Yeah.
Or touching, whatever.
Touching. There's a lot of touching involved in
Really?
this.
You're gonna jump on this bandwagon?
Hey, me and him are going home
Seriously?
afterwards.
Yeah, they leave, you don't.
Hey, listen.
Touching.
I'm always in the middle.
This smells good.
I'm the medium
It's-
man,
it's-
I'm always in the middle.
So this is very sweet.
Yep, I bought that
Yeah, but it's so good.
at Total Wine
It is
while I was
good.
there. I've been trying to make this drink for about 5 years, and I just couldn't get this product, and I finally went and drove out to get it. The Porn Star Martini was invented in 2003 by Douglas Ankara in London
The color's cool.
at the Townhouse.
Perfect.
It looks like a.
He noted vanilla and passion fruit are heaven, and they're used in a lot of cakes and pastries, especially in
It's very
England.
skin colored.
Oh yeah, I guess we have to put it over here, huh?
Oh, is that why it's called a Porn Star Martini?
Yeah.
I think I would just drink that.
No disease there. That's healthy.
He said the martini is in name only. Basically, we're not doing this,
Put it all in one glass.
but it's a 7-ounce coupe glass typically,
You're
or a
gonna
7-ounce martini
I'm a
glass.
diabetic at heart, so this is good.
A type 2 diabetic.
Oh. If you like passion fruit,
You like sugar and
I
candy.
love passion fruit.
Oh my god,
if you like passion fruit,
that's really tasty.
Passion fruit is my thing.
and I mean, we typically don't drink vodka.
There's no way porn stars keep their figure drinking this drink.
Yeah. There's no way porn stars.
What are they doing with their finger?
If you like
They
passion
never
fruit,
keep their
you're just
figure drinking
this drink is gonna. You're good.
Yeah,
It's
Well,
perfect.
Yeah.
yeah.
It's got
It's
passion
good.
fruit liquor and passion fruit.
So-
I mean,
Yeah.
And vanilla vodka and vanilla.
Yeah, I mean
Yeah,
it's,
like-
but it's not like overly sweet though. It's not like
Well, it's got a little bit of
not-
lime to balance it out.
Yeah, it's not like candy, so it's
No, it's
it's,
fine.
it's sweet, but it's a palatable sweet.
And is it a college drink?
It's not super sweet. It's
not
not
so
a college
much.
drink. This is way
It's,
too much
it's,
work.
it's probably like an elevated.
college drink.
An elevated college
Okay, this could be a
Because
college drink.
Ian's all about hating on college drinks, so I
Yeah.
need.
No. This could be a college drink, but I don't think college students would even think this.
This is too much work for
This
college.
is yeah. This is,
Yeah.
there's and too much work for a bar near a college.
I'm not sure what like the champagne comes in. I guess it's just to kind of maybe
It's
cut
probably
the.
you get the sweet and the
Yeah.
dry and the sweet and the dry, and it kind of complements
And it
itself.
goes with the
So you
image
can
of the
really
drink.
drink it without the champagne.
Yeah.
Or just combine them.
And I don't think you want to combine them. That's I don't know. Like that, it's got to be like a separate thing. Like this is really tasty and that's really dry. Right?
Shots. Look at
Like that's by itself.
Is it like the chocolate cake shot? Like, does it add something?
Not like that, because that turns into chocolate cake.
No, it does.
I think this is sweet because then this is dry, probably like a
Just
little
kind
bit
of
balances
balances,
it. Yeah. But it's not like I said, it's not like candy sweet.
No, it's definitely sweet.
Yeah, it's not.
It's just the juice and everything. But like, and this is served typically, originally was in a 7-ounce,
Really?
like a martini glass.
Face
Yeah.
the blade this way because I didn't want anybody to get hurt on the way by.
Anybody? Oh, you microwaved it? Wait, you know how to use a microwave?
I can't do that right now. My back would cry.
Yes, I told her that our microwave didn't have pastries in it.
Oh no, we don't do that.
Wait, there's another
The trick here is you serve this in a big martini glass primarily, and we don't because I don't have any, but
There you go.
primarily in the 90s, 80s, whatever, when this was kind of invented, 2000s, like at the end, when like big martini glasses were the thing to have.
Yeah.
Like it made sense to do this, and that's what drove sales. It's a marketing thing, right? Like people thought they were getting 2 drinks for the price of 1,
Yeah.
right? But it's really not. It's just 1 drink that's got a sidecar. It's not the first sidecar we've done, but
Yeah.
it's an interesting take on it. You're basically separating the champagne from the rest of the drink, and you're taking them separately versus having them together.
Yeah.
But that's tasty. But then again, this is tasty. So what you've done is you've added Goya passion fruit juice.
I mean,
which is
passion
sweet,
fruit
and
itself
passion fruit.
with like champagne or prosecco is tasty. Look at
Oh,
that.
look at you, Ian.
You're just adding the flair.
Now,
Oh, you're all above
You
the
just made it
square.
sexier.
Yeah, that just got me laid.
Yeah.
You did. You just got laid.
Yeah, it felt good too.
It's like now it's called a non-faking porn star.
yeah.
So now it's called a non-faking porn star.
That's right. Yeah.
Martini.
Now it's called just do anal.
Now
Yes.
it's called I didn't do it just for the money.
Right. I did it because I wanted to.
That's right.
Oh yeah, that's the other thing. Is Trevor mentioned? Trevor Rose in the live stream said that this is made with the passion fruit puree, which is like fucking impossible to get. If I could get the passion fruit puree we
gotta make
originally had,
That
Right.
puree company that we.
what was the? You remember the puree company, the white boxes that we would get? We did an interview at Tails with them.
The guy who made the
Interview with Tails.
Fashionola stuff? Max?
No, not Max.
No, not Max. There was
2 days later,
Oh, they
we
made-
did it at the Carousel Bar with
there
the
was a-
ladies
yeah,
from this
there was a
puree
passion
company.
Fruit, like a
Oh,
human
yeah,
Perfect puree.
Perfect puree,
white-
yeah.
Yeah.
So Perfect Puree
Perfect
makes
puree
one of
has
these.
a passion fruit
Yeah,
puree.
I would love to sell the product, but it requires dry ice in order to ship it, so it doesn't work for me. But like,
Could you drop ship? Like ship from there and sell?
no, I think I
Try
asked
that.
that back in the day, and it wasn't. Maybe now.
Yeah, they might not have been set up for it at the
Yeah,
time.
like if you can get Perfect Purees, passion fruit. Basically, they send you a frozen passion fruit puree that you put in your refrigerator, or freezer, or whatever, depending on how long you're going to take to drink it. And it's just basically you take passion fruit, you take the seeds out, and you
They're
blend them.
good.
And boom,
Yeah.
you get that, right? So if you could do that, great. The problem is passion fruits are in season for like a week, at least around New England. Probably other places you're fine. What do you do? What happened?
There's a secondary drip.
I just made a mess.
No, that's fine.
Nothing.
That's fine.
Fine. Just do your job.
Yeah.
That's all.
Now they want us to focus on the show.
Yeah. Don't catch
Don't worry
that.
about that. So if you can get fresh passion fruit, use that instead of the juice. But it's going to be tart, especially if you get passion fruit from like Dominican, which is like lemon, like it's super
That's
tart.
sour.
Oh, it's a topless dance. It's a topless dancer martini. Like it's. You don't have to
No,
sip
that's
this.
classier than just a stripper martini.
Yeah.
He
yes.
worked at a strip club.
That's like
That's true.
That's a call girl martini.
Also, he was the bouncer.
Oh, like an expensive cowgirl martini.
Yeah, yeah.
This is like I'm starting the night martini,
Yeah. That's
right?
This
Yeah.
is like you spent
That's
extra
a
for.
woo girl martini.
Yes.
Yeah.
Like you're not a woo girl yet,
Cheap.
But you're gonna be.
but you're gonna be after this. Like this is what like starts it off.
That's what makes you a woo girl?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
Have you tried this?
This.
Not yet. You're hogging it.
This will make you a woo girl,
Yeah.
and we'll tape it after.
Does it involve
So we have
anal?
proof that you're a woo girl.
Yes.
Does this involve anal of some sort?
Escort martini.
Oh wait, you just brought that over real quick.
Yeah, we did.
Real quick.
You want to
Why
see
I
the
don't
mess?
have enough hands.
It's really good.
Yeah, it is. It's tasty as heck.
Ah,
That's the sidecar. You gotta chase.
It's tasty as all
taste
get
it.
out.
You gotta alternate between the two. with your chips.
What's that little glass for?
We don't have an executive producer for this episode because I forgot to fill in the blanks, but it happens.
Hey, Mad Libs isn't foolproof.
Ah.
Mad Libs is not foolproof.
Right? Oh, if it's too sweet for you, that scares me.
Whoa, you think it's too
Oh,
sweet?
you think it's too sweet?
It's sweet.
Did you drink the
I don't
champagne?
think it's too sweet.
No, I didn't drink the shit.
Oh, what the fuck?
Did it
You
rev
can't
up your-
just drink one?
It's sweet.
That's like sugar.
Champagne! You
Did
gotta
it-
drink the
I think
champagne!
it's too
Did it
sweet.
rev up your woo muscles?
I don't know how else I can explain this to you.
The problem is they're like
That's like a super cheap.
He's gonna have to do a lot of editing on this video.
no. See,
Yeah,
that's the
we
problem
like
though. They
Alright,
have the
it
bougie
does
taste
tone it
now.
down.
See?
They have
The
the bougie
champagne tones
taste.
it down,
Yeah.
dries it up a
Do
little.
this.
All right, hold on.
Alright.
We gotta we're
almost done.
helping you out with your next date.
I gotta clean
Wait,
my
yeah,
palate.
she's gotta come.
If you
It's
can
a
get
good like start off
this is
martini.
a dessert drink.
I think it's a good like start the night.
Alright.
Like you have something a little bit sweet, and then you can kind of like move on from there.
Yeah.
It helps.
Or you end this way because judgment's thrown out the
Yes.
window.
It does.
That's like serious.
Yeah.
That's super
That is-
sweet.
For Jen to say that's super sweet.
Yeah,
it
that's
is
something.
therapy.
It's good,
That's something.
but it's good diabetes.
That is
Yeah.
like
Yeah, it's good diabetes. I didn't think it was that sweet.
Did you try it with the chaser?
We just did.
I didn't think it was that super sweet, but they obviously do.
Oh, it's super sweet.
Okay,
Oh, it's
so
super sweet.
vanilla vodka
It's still
with
good.
puree
It's
or
super
juice and passion fruit. It-
Jen tells you it's super
They're doing the
sweet.
CMC version
Yeah,
of
you
wooing.
know that it's
Come
sweet.
on.
They're just repeating each other.
Yes, yes, exactly.
sweet.
So they're already there. The problem is they're past the point where you would give them the drink.
Stop.
Wait, what do you want?
And they're above wooing, like
Yeah.
at a personal level.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Yeah. Now they think it's bad, and they're like,
No, shut up, Dan. No one asked you.
Have some cheese.
And
Because
so
I don't agree, and it's super sweet, and you don't think it is.
Yeah,
you might be able to add the champagne to the cocktail.
He is a
And it might,
Tell me he's a dick.
Dan, you're a dick.
Yeah.
so now I'm a jack.
So you're a delegator too.
Yes. Oh, you know it. You want to take a strong personality, you better match it with another strong personality.
well, that just happened.
Wow,
So
Alright,
That was a
wrap
lot.
this up.
we're gonna wrap it up before it turns to utter chaos. So there's the Porn Star Martini. 5 years in the making. I did it, and I like it.
I think it's good.
I think it's pretty good. I'm pretty happy.
He
We
made a
concur.
drink and he liked it.
Sidebar, more videos. It's gonna be about who knows what. I'll figure it out later. That's it.
Teaching you how to drink.
That's right.